If you are like most savvy consumers, you rely on online reviews such as Yelp. You take a quick peek at the rating, and within a second, you start forming an impression of the company based on what you see. Well, what if I told you that in our particular case, Yelp is not showing you 19? That's correct, 19 five-star reviews we have earned. Hello, everyone. My name is Edwin Serrano, and I'm the owner of Home Pros Painting and Home Repairs. As the business owner of one of the fastest growing painting companies in the Kansas City area, I rely on online reviews to showcase our ability to make our customers happy. So happy, matter of fact, that they take the time to leave reviews for all to see. If you do an online search for Home Pros Painting and Home Repairs, you will see that we have reviews on Google, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, Angie's List, Yelp, and there may be more out there that I'm not even aware of at this time. I would say the reviews left on all the platforms are pretty fair. I do have some issues with Google, which I will deal with in another video. However, it's unfortunate that Yelp is not transparent with their reviews. You see, if you look at our current Yelp ratings, we only have a 2-star rating. This rating is based on a 1-star review and a 3-star review. If you didn't know any better, you would think those are the only reviews we have on Yelp. What they intentionally do not show you are the 19, yes, 19, 5-star reviews left behind by very satisfied customers. If you were to do the math, then we should technically have a 4.6 rating and not a 2-star rating. As the business owner, I get to see an internal note that none of you get to see. When I inquired about these 19 reviews that are not being shown at all, I got some kind of notice that the algorithm sometimes won't allow all reviews to be shown. I can see 1 or 2, but 19, that doesn't seem right. My suspicion, and this is only my opinion, is that Yelp wasn't too happy with me canceling my advertising. From that point forward, only the bad reviews were shown. So instead of getting mad and trying to fight Goliath, I figured I would provide an insight to our prospective customers by putting together this short video showing you all of the 5-star reviews that customers did leave and wanted the world to see. Needless to say, I don't have anything to do with Yelp since I canceled the ad back in 2017. The crazy part about the whole thing is that they don't allow you to remove the business listing. Even if you go out of business and shut the door, the listing will live forever. So, if you're considering our company and you had any reservations due to our rating on Yelp, please read the kind words left behind by our satisfied customers. I would also urge you to look over our reviews on Google for recent reviews on our company. Then make a decision based on all of the reviews instead of the 2 being shown on Yelp. I look forward to putting out the next video within the next 2 weeks, so keep tuned to our channel for the next interesting topic. For Home Pros Painting, Edwin Serrano signing off.